This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop an image into a perfect circle in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now, and I have an image on my slide here. This is just a PNG image. To crop an image into a perfect circle, say that I wanted to crop out this sun right here into a perfect circle. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is select the image. I'm going to left click on the image to select it. Then you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Picture Format tab. You want to click on Picture Format. Then on the ribbon, you'll go down to the far right, down to where it says Crop. You want to click on the little drop down arrow under Crop. Then you'll go down and place your mouse cursor over Crop to Shape. Then you'll slide straight off to the left. And these all are shapes that you can crop your image into. This does not have a perfect circle in it. But the way to do it, you want to select the oval. I'm going to click on the oval to select it. Now as you can see, I have the picture cropped into an oval, but I want to do a perfect circle. The way you do that, you want to select the image. I have the image selected now. You want to go up to the top, make sure you're on the Picture Format tab. Then you'll go on down to the far right of the ribbon. You want to go back to Crop. Click on Crop. Then you want to go down to where it says Aspect Ratio. Aspect Ratio. And you'll go straight off to the right to where it says 1:1. You want to click on 1:1. Now as you can see, my image has become a perfect circle. Now from here, I can adjust the size of my image. You want to hold down the Shift key while you're changing the size of your circle. That way you keep your dimensions. I'm going to make mine about like this right here. Then you can move your picture in the background to how you want it. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, make my circle a little smaller. Now I'm going to adjust my image again. I'm going to click off my image. That is how you crop an image into a perfect circle in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.